y'all. So this is the finished look, and how are we liking it? Now let's get into the specs of this unit. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did previously review a braided wig from the brand Roiifur on Amazon. This is another one of their pretty braided wigs. This one is a 360 full lace knotless braids, but the parting on the braids are triangle, and I really like that. It's very different. Now this wig is also 36 inches, so it's pretty long. It's probably past my butt, honestly, but I like it. And the bottoms are nice. They look like they're twisted all the way down. They're braided and then they're twisted, but this is how the bottoms look. Like, this looks like I just got my hair braided at like an African shop or something. It is also full lace, so there's lace all around, so all right here and then all in the back. They did have baby hairs in the back as well. So I will say, like, this wig is very beginner friendly. Like, if you wanted to get a wig, a braided wig for the first time, this is perfect for you. It is very easy to install. Now this unit also has 100% HD lace, so it is super natural looking. It's literally giving scalp. They did so well with this lace, it's crazy. It comes with the butterfly box design on it, with those little pieces. I think that adds a lot of style to this wig because it's simple with the triangle parts, but I think the butterfly design adds like a real cool sleek vibe. But yeah, in my next video I'm going to be showing you guys different styles that you can do with this wig. But yeah, so I'm going to be linking this wig down below for you guys in the description box if you would like to purchase it, so look out for that. Let me know what you guys think of this wig down below in the comments. Let me know if you like it, hate it, love it. If you're going to purchase it, let me know. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like and comment, and if you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.